Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Now in this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Metahero on KuCoin. Alright, so Metahero is the gateway to Metaverse. So they have these huge scanners that they get to scan objects or people and scan them in 3D and put them in the Metaverse. Okay, so if anyone wants to play as themselves on the Metaverse, they get to be scanned, or if they want their objects to be scanned as well. Okay, and now let's get to KuCoin to show you how to buy the Metahero. Alright, if you don't have an account, create one. You'll find the link in the description. After you've created your account, go to assets and main account, deposit and withdraw. Here you can type in the name of the currency that you want to deposit in here, or just go to here. It's way simpler. Deposit in here and click or select the coin that you want to deposit, or just type in the name of it. Okay, let's say USDT. Just make sure to select the right one here. So if you have selected any of these, let's say I'm going to select this network here, just make sure when you're trying to withdraw from the other platform that you're withdrawing from, just make sure to select the same network. Okay, if you don't find it in there, choose another network that will be in here and there. Okay, after you've done that, you've got your coins into your account. Go to trade and spot trading. Go to here, and if you have deposited any other crypto other than USDT, you need to sell it and get USDT. So how to do that? Let's do an example of, you've deposited, let's say an example of link. Just make sure you select link and paired with USDT. Whatever cryptocurrency that you have deposited and you want to sell to USDT, make sure you're selecting USDT. So in this example I'm using link, but you can choose whatever currency that you have on your account, of course. Okay, just make sure it's USDT. Click on it, then scroll down and go to here to sell that cryptocurrency that you have. So in here, choose 100% and you will choose the whole amount that you of that crypto that you have on your wallet on this platform. Okay, so to sell it to USDT, and that's it. Click sell and it will be sold and you'll be getting USDT in return. Okay, now let's get back to here and look for hero, which is Metahero here, and this is it, hero/USDT. Click on it. Now let's do the opposite, which is buying hero with USDT. Okay, so go to here. You'll find again this percentage here, which means that you'll be using 100% of the amount of USDT that you have on your account. Click on it, or if you want to just put in 50% or whatever amount that you want. Okay, so this is it, but let me show you if you want to bargain. All right, so this here is the current market price. Okay, this is how much one Metahero costs. So click on it and it will automatically get filled in here, and when you click 100% of the USDT, you will see the amount of hero that you will be getting, and you can click buy. But you can bargain, okay, by choosing a lower price than the one on the market price or of the market price right now. Okay, so by choosing one of these here are trying to buy with a lower price than on the market cap of the market price, sorry, and these here are trying to sell with a higher market price that is currently in here. Okay, so people here are bargaining, these here trying to sell with a higher price and these trying to sell with a lower price. Of course, you want to buy with a lower price, you can click on whatever price that you see here. Okay, click on it and it will automatically get into here, as you can see here. Okay, choose either here, or if you want to sell, choose a reasonable price. And if you want to get in as fast as you can, just get and instantly just click on the current market price, which is this one, and put in, of course, 100% or the amount that you want and click buy, and it will go through instantly. All right, so this is it. I hope you like this explanation, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.